Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, guys. Aquarius, so these cards are for your general energies, guys. We'll be picking one card for your relationship from another deck. So we have this deck here. So I'll be picking one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. Aquarius. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. So we have Magician, Ten of Cups in reverse and Page of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You have that inspiration and confidence overwhelming you. In your heart of hearts, you are brimming with confidence. Maybe in your work, you just know in your heart of hearts what will work for you and what is the right choice for you. So you have some kind of a positive guidance, intuition guiding you today, guys, in your situation, and you feel extremely confident about your talents and skill. You know what will work for you and what is the right thing to do. So you have a very clear understanding, clarity in your thoughts. So it may be in your work situation or it may be your energy in this relationship. You have a clear mind, clear thought, and you are ready for action. And in your career or work situation, guys, maybe for some of you, I see that you are quite stressed or anxious regarding something. Maybe something has come, you are confident, there is no sadness or stress on your part, but some circumstance is unfolding today, something unexpected coming your way today, guys. It may be an unforeseen sickness or illness. It may be your illness or this person's illness, something worrying you, and something which you are really unprepared for. It may be some kind of an accident, Aquarius. You need to be really careful today, guys. So if you are traveling or if your person is traveling, you need to be really careful, attentive, and take all precautions in your travel. Or if you are in a very a precarious situation, you need to be very careful in your surroundings, taking a lot of precautions to avoid some illness or something that may unfold today, guys, out of the blue. So that is what I see, guys, and this situation is giving you a lot of sadness or stress. Maybe you expected something, but what is happening is something different. All your confidence and that happiness is drained today because of this unexpected event unfolding in your life, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. So this card may answer the question we have in our mind regarding our situation. So let's see what it is. It is regeneration. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our life, maybe in our situation, we may uh, feel that something is gone, something has left us, and it would have created a void in our heart, and we may feel sad or lost because of that. But you need not worry. This is the time that you are getting new opportunities or second chances. So, whatever you thought was gone and dead may no longer come back or may no longer exist for you. All that is coming back to you, and it in a much better version, guys, much more powerful than before. So, destiny is being fulfilled in unexpected, wonderful ways today. So, you need not worry. And in this relationship, in your love life, Aquarius, maybe you would have left someone, or they would have left you, or you would have lost someone you loved dearly. So, endings are a part of life, and you need not, brood over the past, feel lost, or feel that everything has left you because of this person's absence. You need to understand that now in your life, you are stepping up into that life force, that regenerative life force. So, things are going to rise up. You have that overwhelming feelings of love, and there is someone with whom you may have a beautiful relationship is coming towards you, and you are getting a second chance in your love situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is leg up. So with this card, guys, it just means that if you need some kind of a help or a guidance in your career situation, you just have to speak up, guys. Just ask and it will be given to you. So this card stands for interdependence. So you have come to a point in your life when you need people's help or support in stepping up further in your situation, in your career situation. So you need others' help too. You cannot do everything on your own. You have grown so much now, and you are in an important place, and this is the time to bring people in your life who may help you. You can delegate authority to those people around you who will help you to move towards your dreams and goals. So that is the energy with this card. So interdependence. So maybe in your career situation, you need to ask for help and it will be given, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.